Hello guys, how are you? Wish you a very happy new year. It's been a year since NFTStudio24 was launched in January 2022 and was live just a bit roller and was live in March 2022. This year was very tough and very important for us, for my team, my colleagues. We achieved many milestones, including the collaboration with international brands, international events, and more than 50 universities from Pakistan, India, Japan, and Singapore. And it will be continue in 2023 as well. I'm really grateful to Sebastian Burkett from Sandbox for his undying support and trust in our educational media platform, along with Blockchain Game Alliance, India Blockchain Association, Emirates News Agency, all our other collaboration members, our university students, our entrepreneur and community, which is now more than 30,000. I really can't imagine that we have more than 30,000 members are on board. I wouldn't have achieved this without my team from all over the world, and big thanks to my Japanese team, because this is a very big language barrier and I'm still a Japanese language student. But we need to work hard together in 2023 to make this better Web3 space. And also thanks to my All Expert Alliance member to be part of us. We anticipate your support and connect us in 2023.